If you study our politics very well and our history, all these years, government has been manipulated by the wealthy Filipinos. See? And remember, this is the first politician that does not have, quote, the open support of the oligarchy. If you were present at that SONA, remember he pointed to all those politicians, I own nothing from you. See? So keep that in mind. This is the first non-oligarchic president. I believe this is the beginning of I don't want to call it nationalist, but anyway, a Philippine revolution. Now, you go back into our history, and much of our problems are due to the fact that we have been colonized. At the colonization, first Spanish, then American, then Japanese, and now we are colonized by our own elites. See? And all this, our auguries were already evident in 1896. See? This is not going to be done in 2 or 3 years. You know, just look back. Just look back. The Vietnamese Revolution took how many years? The Chinese Revolution started in the 1920s. See, the French Revolution maybe a shorter period, yeah, but almost all of them take years, you know, maybe 1 generation. He should not stop. What should be done, you know, is to see to it that this so-called collateral damage is diminished. Yung malungkot, if something happens to him, if he dies or is assassinated, then you put the revolution on hold. At naumpisa na, sayang, ituloy yan. The first thing they should do, it is to recognize that a revolution has started. And the second thing that they should do is to recognize that that revolution is long in coming and that is a necessity. Like I said, the outcome, you are not sure, which means that Filipinos should ever be ready not only to recognize that there is going to be a lot of pain and suffering, but that in the end, we, all of us, have to work even harder.
Ginigit-git nyo yung mga tao ko dyan sa envelope na yan. Lisa Marcos, naalala mo? Nagpadala ka sa akin ng video? Sinabihan mo ako saan kukunin ang pera. Pinakita mo ang muka ng tao doon sa video message mo. Hi, Nikki. This is she's been working with us for the longest time. We trust her. You sent me written instructions about money. Millions a month. Anong nakalagay doon sa envelope? DepEd. Anong ginawa ko? Binigay ko sa DepEd. Putak na mo ka. Wala ka ngang posisyon sa gobyerno, namimigay ka ng pera ng gobyerno eh. Sisirahin mo yung tangal ng mga kasama ko sa Office of the Vice President. Sasabihin nyo sa mga tao, nakaw yan, confidential funds yan. Niwala nga kayong isang proof na confidential funds yan. Naniwala lang kayo sa isang babae na ang pangalan ay Gloria Mercado na nagsabi confidential funds yan, na hindi nyo nga nilabas na wala pang confidential funds, meron ng white envelope. Kasi 2022 pa lang, tang ina mo ka, may utos na ng pera sa DepEd. Tapos kami yung nagsisinungaling? Nagpipigil ako eh. Kasi gusto ko lang magtrabaho. Gusto ko lang tapusin nyo na yung show ninyo dyan sa House of Representatives para makabalik na kami sa trabaho namin. Tapos ganyan ang gagawin ninyo sa amin dahil hindi kami sumusunod sa inyo? Dahil ayaw na namin tumulong sa inyo? Ganito gagawin ninyo? Presidente ka, may speaker ka na involved sa bribery ng Supreme Court justices. May video, may kaso, may witnesses. Hindi mo tinanggal yung speaker mo. Pinabayaan mo siya abusuhin ang pera ng bayan. Paikot-ikot sa buong bansa, namimigay ng pera na para bang kanya yung pera. Eh di ba nga, lagi niyo sinasabi separation of powers? Anong trabaho ng legislative branch? Gumawa ng batas. Anong ginagawa ni Martin Romualdez? Nagdidirect ng DSWD, namimigay ng ayuda, nagsasabi kung anong bibigay, anong ibibigay, anong gagawin, sino ba ang presidente dito? Alam nyo, alam namin, mali ang ginagawa ninyo. Sinabihan ko lang mga kasama ko sa Office of the Vice President, pasensya na, sumunod na lang tayo para matapos na sila. Tapos ganito ang gagawin ninyo? Alam namin, walang contemptuous doon sa ginawa ni Yusek Lopez. Wala. Lahat ng tanong, sinagot niya. Pumunta siya. Maayos siya kumausap. And then sasabihin ninyo sa amin, bakit kami susulat sa COA? Bakit hindi kami susulat sa COA? Hindi tapos ang appeal namin. Hindi tapos ang audit namin. Tapos buhaghag na ninyo dihatanan ang gisubmit namo sa COA?